Mama Duck just brought the babies over. Quack, 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 quack. Hi, little ones. They're only like 5 feet from us. Hi, babies. Oh my goodness. Come on, Mama. Quack, 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 quack. Alright, we gotta restart. Bevy's right here. And the babies are right here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, they're eating the corn. We gotta keep them close because
Come on, Mama Love.
this jerk came back. Gladys came back.
Hi, baby.
So, oh my goodness, you guys are so cute. Yes, they're right here. You guys are so cute. Alright, see you guys.